Barbados is well known as the island of sun, sea and sand, but many are unaware that it's also the island of forestry. Throughout all of the gullies in this island, the one that stands out is known as Turner's Hall Wood, a seasonal but evergreen forest. Hi, my name is Fredrick, and with my colleague Pauliann, this video will look at 6 species seen in the relic forest in the parish of St. Andrew.
As ecology students at the University of the West Indies Cave Hill campus, we recently had the opportunity to visit the St. Andrew Forest. The forest covers 74 acres of land and belonged to Captain John Turner back in 1663. The forest is considered to be a relic due to the lack of development or significant damage within the forest boundaries. This is why it is one of the few areas of plant diversity on the island, with 15 plant genera found nowhere else but this forest. We explored the upper regions of the forest, where we saw some prominent plant species such as the macaw palm, the silk cotton tree, the sandbox tree, the grand leaf sea grape, the cat's claw wisp, and the swizzle stick tree.
Now, one of the first and major tree species seen throughout the forest is known as the macaw palm tree. It looks similar to a regular palm tree with its long trunk and dark green painted leaves. However, the major feature of this endemic are its long black spines which run along its trunk and its leaves. Along with this, it produces white flowers that bear yellow, red, or orange fruits. Although it appears harmful to a certain extent, it was used as a symbol of marriage back in previous years. If a suitor wanted to take a lady's hand in marriage, they were expected to climb the tree and to pick the fruit. Once done, they presented the fruit to the future mother-in-law in hopes of gaining the parents' permission. This ultimately showed their dedication and commitment, as this was not an easy task, and we could only hope that the proposal was accepted.
The silk cotton tree is a member of the Malvaceae family. It is known for its trunk, which can reach heights of 80 feet or more, wide-reaching roots that spread up to 10 feet away from the trunk, and cotton fibers which explode from the dry fruit of the tree. It has played an important role in the spiritual lives of Mayan, Taino, and Kalinago people of the region. The sandbox tree, also known as the possumwood tree, is a member of the spurge family. It is native to tropical America and is identifiable by its thorny trunk, poisonous leaves, and pumpkin-shaped seed capsules which explode when dry. Its seeds are known to be a part of Caribbean and Mesoamerican jewelry making. It gets its name, sandbox, from old times when the dry fruit was filled with sand to blot ink on paper.
This next tree has many names such as mountain grape or even Eve's umbrella. However, the most suitable name for this is known as the grand leaf sea grape, which is a title it rightly deserves. It has magnificent leaves which are obliquely in shape and has a slight hairy touch, and in terms of size, it ranges in width from about 5 to 16 inches. It is also worth noting that this branch-crowned tree was very large. Now, this tree was very special as it's normally closer to the coast. However, it was found deeper in the forest in an abnormal spot. It was suspected that this may have been due to the different soil type and the tree strata level present in the forest.
The cat's claw wisp is a wooden vine which climbs its way up to the top of tree trunks in order to photosynthesize. It is indigenous to the Caribbean, Central, and South America. It is identifiable by the growth on the vine, which is shaped like a cat's claw, hence its name. It flowers profusely when it rains, with a yellow trumpet-like flower, which forms into a long black pod that bursts to scatter the seeds.
Our last plant is known as the swizzle stick tree, and it gets this title not because of its appearance but mainly because of its use. The plant has a whorled leaf arrangement whereby 5 branches are attached to a single node. When the stem is cut and these branches are trimmed, it results in something called a swizzle stick, which is used like a whisk to beat eggs or even acts like a cocktail mixer to make drinks. While many trees such as the macaw palm tree are seen as harmful, this just goes to show you how potentially useful some species can be and why conserving natural forests are vitally important.